Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find the formulas of radius of the circle inside or outside the polygon. For main regular polygon, we have to draw a circle, and this is the one of parts of circle. And here I mention 2 points, for example A and B. And this is the center of the circle, and I connect these parts. Also draw a height from the circle of the center of the circle to the segment AB, and mark this point as C. So suppose that AB is equal to A is the side of n-sided regular polygon. N-sided regular polygon. Yeah, OA is equal to OB because they are radius, and as you see that it is the radius of the circle drawn outside the polygon. And let's mark it with RN and uppercase letter RN, or just R. And as you see that the segment OC is the radius of the circle drawn inside the polygon. And let's mention it as a lowercase letter R. And if you divide the given circle into equal parts and connect the division points with successive segments, for example like this, you get a n-sided regular polygon drawn inside the given circle. And if tangents, like this is tangent to this circle, if tangents are drawn to the circle at each of the division points, then we get n-sided regular polygon drawn outside this circle. But I'm going to show you how to find the formulas for this radius. Okay, let's start. For example, this is angle beta and angle beta because it is isosceles triangle here, and height is also bisector. Then these angles are equal to each other. So, and look at it, this is the angle of the n-sided regular polygon, and you know that angle of the interior angle of the n-sided polygon is equal to 180 degrees times n minus 2 over n. Then here's the right triangle, beta alpha over 2 and 90 degrees. Then beta is equal to 90 degree minus alpha over 2, and is equal to 90 degrees minus here that alpha is the interior angle of the inside the regular polygon, and its formula is obvious from the previous lessons. And if here I write the alpha here, I'm gonna get and it's going to be 180 degrees over n. Triangle BCO, here sine beta is equal to BC over OB. OB is the hypotenuse. And it is equal to, we said that AB is equal to A, and then BC is equal to half of the segment AB. Then A over 2 OB. OB, we said that it is R drawn inside the circle. Drawn outside the circle. And yes, A over 2 is equal to R times sine beta. Then A is equal to 2R sine beta. Then tangent beta is equal to BC over OC. BC, we said that it's equal to A over 2, and OC is, we said that it is the radius of the circle drawn inside the polygon, regular inside polygon. Then A over 2, we said that then here A is equal to R tangent beta, and beta is equal to 180 degree over n. Then the side of the regular polygon is equal to 2R sine 180 degree over n, and A is equal to R tangent 180 degree over n. The perimeter of the n-sided regular polygon is calculated by this formula, and the area of the n-sided regular polygon is equal to 1/2 times perimeter of the n-sided polygon times Rn. Rn here is the radius of the circle drawn inside the regular polygon. It is equal to 1/2 NaN times AN. Here AN is the side of the regular polygon over 2 tangent 180 of n. Then n times AN squared over 4. We can write it 10 times cotangent 180 over n. Yes, and Pn is equal to n times An. It's equal to n times A is equal to this formula 2R sine 180 over n. Write limit when n tends to infinity to n times Rn sine pi over n. This formula, when n tends to infinity, it's going to be 2R limit n tends to infinity sine pi over n times pi. We divide and multiply both sides of it by pi, then it's equal to 2pr. We get that by using the formula for calculating the perimeter of n-sided regular polygon. It can be obtained the formula for calculating the length of the circle. As you know that this is the length of the circle. Yes, this video is all about that, and I hope that you understood. If you like this video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you very much.